Hello, in this video I'm gonna showcase and talk a little bit about this awesome device, the Elgato Stream Deck. At the beginning I was a little skeptical about buying one, but then I was using OBS to change my scenes and I found myself in a position that I needed to have a better way for me to switch scenes. So I bought this Elgato Stream Deck 15 key. This is how it looks. It's disconnected. I'm gonna turn it on in a moment. Okay, so this is a really nice device for you to save time, to increase your productivity, to make your content creation, or even if you work on your computer, this will ease and make your process more productive. Okay, and also because it has nice features, it has amazing tools, this will increase as well your creativity. Okay, so let me turn it on so you can see how it looks. So I have here some decks. Okay, this is my main deck. Then I have here scenes. I have here sound effects. I have here background music, so it's up to you, you can adjust them. Then you may need some other softwares like Voicemeeter, like OBS, to sync everything correctly. Like for instance, I use OBS to sync my scenes with Stream Deck. Also, you can use this with sync this with YouTube, with Twitter, with StreamYard, with vMix, with so many different tools, which is awesome. Now I'm gonna share a little bit the look of the software that you need to adjust to work with Stream Deck. So there you go. This is how the software looks for you to set Stream Deck. Okay. Really easy to use. You can change here different things. If you want to change the places, you just need to drag and drop. Okay, no big deal. Really easy. You can set different profiles, different pages. For instance, if you want to have more than the space of buttons allow, you can create different pages. Just need to press this and then you will get a new page, so you don't need to go back and forth, and this will allow you to work with this easily. You have all these options here, all these integrations, so it's a really nice device. You can work with Twitch Studio, with Twitter, with you can launch, for instance, you can launch software, so instead of going to the desktop to search for them, you can find them on Stream Deck and use them really easy, like I have here. Let me show you. For instance, these are my main used softwares. Okay, and also you have a Stream Deck store where you can find different background musics or musics, sound effects, so many things. And amazing thing about this is that most of these things, they are free. So let me show you. So this is how the store looks. Okay, you have here this discover where you can see new updates from Elgato. Here you have plugins, which will allow to take even more advantage of this piece of hardware, and believe me, this is really amazing. You have icons and you can customize every button that you have on stream, which is for you to know which feature does each button. You have also music, okay, and you have all these filters by genre, by instrument, by mood, by time, by duration, which is awesome, by tempo, not time. Duration, it's here. And also sound effects, which is awesome, because because one of the things I like to use is when I do my live shows or even my video content, I like to use sound effects, which brings some entertainment to our live show, to my live show. So this is really a nice device, which I love. The fact I loved it so much that I even bought the Stream Deck XL. Okay, so now I have two Stream Decks. So this was a quick review, overview, showcase of this awesome product that Stream Deck is. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.